We can get a little bit more elaborate defining screens with Filepro. In fact, you can design some very nice screens. Let's see what we can do. Let's pick the screen we just played with, screen 1. One of the things you can do is put reverse video or inverse video on the screen somewhere. Let's say you want a particular field to stand out. It's very important that they say, for instance, put a phone number on every record. You can turn on the reverse video, look down at the bottom of the screen to see what it is on your system that turns on the inverse video. In mine, it happens to be Control Z on a reverse video. Now, if I were to type, you see that field, press escape, is now in reverse video. Now on Unix, this is about all you can design, and on the Windows systems, there are a whole bunch of color options where you can place anything on the field and on the screens in different colors. This is very nice, a very useful thing to do. Putting various sections of the screen in color are very helpful. For instance, if we were to go look at this screen, obviously it's going to look like we just left it. You see that stands out pretty brightly. Phone means, oh, go put something here perhaps, or something on that order. Okay. Let's go into that same screen, and we'll take away this reverse video we won't turn on the inverse video, we'll just type back over it. Okay, how about this? This is even more interesting. If you want the actual data that the field holds, to be in reverse video, you can just turn on the inverse video function and just put the field indicator, the asterisk, in reverse video. Press escape. Now, if you press update and resolve these fields by pressing F5, you see that whole field is in reverse video. And you realize that if I were to go and get out of this file, go into require update and add, pick screen 1, now that field is reversed and it stands out quite a bit. I can also, of course, enter data in that field, and it works just as if it was a regular field. There's no difference. Reverse video is very neat. You can reverse titles. It doesn't matter where you put the reverse video, or the color. In the case of Filepro, for instance, you might want to put a space and turn on the reverse video here, and then type a space and VG underscore. There we go. You can highlight anything you want on a screen. You can even highlight just blocks of space on the screen to make particular things stand out, for instance, or a particular area. Maybe you wanted to, it just doesn't matter how you can do lots of things with reverse video. Whatever floats your boat. Inverse video is a very useful thing. If it's overused, it's bad. I'm going to cancel out of that. Just be aware that it's very meaningful. People's eyes go right to reverse video or inverse video, however you want to call it. And it's a very useful function, but it can be overused.